In this video, I'm going to show you the best teleprompter app for Mac that you've ever seen. And stick around till the end because this thing does a lot more than scrolling text. If you ever tried to record with a teleprompter, you know the problem. It's kind of a workflow nightmare. You need to write the script in one app, then move it to your teleprompter app, then record with another app, and then edit everything with yet another app. Lucky for you, it doesn't have to be this way, and in this video I'm going to show you Borumi's new teleprompter feature, which not only allows you to have a powerful teleprompter that automatically follows your voice, but it provides a simple end-to-end workflow that can speed up so much your video creation process. So at its most basic level, Borumi's teleprompter is a window that shows your script. The nice thing though is that Borumi automatically scrolls your script as you speak. It listens to your microphone and to what you say and automatically adjusts the teleprompter speed to match your flow. So if you used other teleprompting apps, you know how tedious it can be sometimes to fight with the teleprompter over which is the right speed. And you often end up sounding quite robotic if you don't have this kind of adjusting mechanism. And the best part is that Borumi's teleprompter is a window that you can place above any app. So for example, if you are recording a presentation or something like that, you can just move the teleprompter on top of the presentation and you can just deliver it following your script. Borumi will keep track of what you're saying again and scroll the script naturally. So let's dive right into it. After you download Borumi, let's head into structured video. This is where you enter your script, and most importantly, you divide your script into scenes. Scenes are very important in Borumi and they basically define the script unit. So instead of dealing with one huge block of text, you basically split it up into chapters for your videos, and those chapters are shown one at a time in the teleprompter. Once your script is in place, you can go into View and then open Teleprompter. From there, Borumi opens up the teleprompter window, which shows your currently selected scene. This window will float above other windows, so you can move it, for example, above your presentation, or if you have equipment like the Elgato prompter, you can move it to the Elgato screen. So even if everything you wanted was just a teleprompter software that follows as you speak, this feature already covers it entirely and it's free to use. So let's dive a bit more into the actual features, and the first one will be the voice following mode. You can activate the voice following mode by clicking on this button right here, and then Borumi will automatically listen to your microphone and detect at which point of the script you're at and scroll automatically. For example, I can start reading, "Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the new Borumi's teleprompter feature," and as you can see, the script automatically scrolled as we went. Again, this helps a lot making you sound more natural because you don't fight with the teleprompter, but instead is the teleprompter that follows you. Now, if you don't like the voice following mode, of course, you can also select a constant speed mode, so you can just use the slider to select how fast the whole scrolling will go. Up to your preference, some people prefer it this way. I personally much prefer the voice following mode. Of course, the teleprompter comes with a lot of customization options to really fit your specific preferences and needs. You can adjust things like the width, the baseline, the font size, the alignment, whether it's light theme or dark themed, and much more. So if you only need a teleprompter, Borumi is a really strong option. It works for English and many other common languages, and the teleprompter feature itself is completely free to use. You just need to download Borumi from the website and you're good to go. But what really sets Borumi apart is when you combine the teleprompter with the recording workflow. Because now, instead of having the script in one place, the teleprompter software in another, and then using a recording software and an editing software, everything comes together in one optimized place. So let's jump into the record tool. So here you can see on the right all the list of scenes that you create in your script editor, and then you can select on the left your camera, microphone, and screen. For this example, I'm going to select my camera, microphone, and screen, and then I can click record on the scene I wish to record. Borumi automatically shows on the teleprompter the scene we are recording, and that's synchronized with the recording process. So for example, if I pause the recording or if I retry the recording, the teleprompter automatically rewinds to the appropriate area so that you never get lost and you never need to fight with the teleprompter. Moreover, thanks to Borumi's scene-based recording, you don't need to nail the whole video at once. You can split it up into smaller, manageable chunks and record one scene at a time. This makes it so much more manageable than just recording one long take and then spending hours editing it in your video editor. And if you mess up, you can just retry the take, and the teleprompter scrolls back up and you can start over. So it's super easy to use. And this alone is already a massive time saver, because with other software, oftentimes what you did was either recording a very long take, because maybe you have your camera recording on your camera and then you have your screen recording in a software like OBS, and then you need to combine them and arrange them in a video editor like DaVinci Resolve. Even just assembling everything together took so much time. In this case, everything is working out of the box and is combined automatically. Once you're done recording, we can move to the edit tool. And the biggest advantage here is that Borumi automatically assembles all the scenes in a timeline for you, ready to edit. So I used other software before, and what you needed to do was juggling with dozens of other files with SD cards, trying to figure out which clip went before which other, and it took so much time and frustration. Here it works out of the box, one click of a button. And from here, it's a video editor optimized for educational videos. So you can, of course, trim the clips in the timeline like you would do with a traditional video editing application, but you can also use transcript-based editing, which allows you to basically edit the video by just changing the transcript. And then if you delete a section, it will also get deleted from the final video. So if you have a long tutorial, for example, you can just skim to the transcript part that you wish to delete, and that speeds up the process so much. So if you want to delete retakes or just remove filler words, it becomes so much faster than just doing it from the timeline. On top of that, Borumi is really optimized to make your videos look good. So you can choose between many of the pre-built layouts, but you can also customize them and add text, images, music, captions, really everything that can make your video pop and look more professional and engaging. So to sum it up, if you're looking just for a teleprompter software, then Borumi can be a great fit, because the teleprompter feature is free to use. Just go on the website, download it, and it's available for macOS and Windows. But if you want to really level up the quality of your videos and cut down the time it takes to produce one video, then check out Borumi. It could be a great fit for your use cases. The last part, pricing. Right now, Borumi is available as a one-time fee for $79, which means you're not forced into yet another subscription. You just pay for it once and it's yours for life with lifetime updates. Really, it's one of the best deals on the market. If you want to learn more, visit borumi.com to find out more. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.